Good morning, everybody. We're here to wash out another t-shirt for you. Beautiful, beautiful tye-dye in there. Got a lot of residual, but we're gonna get it all off. See, that's inside this beautiful, beautiful thing. To the inside.
Oh. Phew, it's a little chilly out there.
I know, it's quite cold. I'm so excited to see what's in this. And inside, got some warm water on it, so we're going to band it. See how my color choice turned out.
This was the wedge.
The wedge. Good old blue-green wedge. And there's everything from wine pop to blue-violet on this one. Quite the arrangement.
There's lime pop, greeny apple, Cayman Isle, and blue violet.
Yeah. Full spread. Beautiful, beautiful shirt. Got a good pattern on it, I can already tell. The pleats came out real well.
Remember,
sometimes they get muddy, but not this time.
we folded it down the middle, so let me rinse out the middle real good.
Forward. See what we got. Ooh, look at that. A perfect V. Perfect wedge.
It is a perfect wedge.
That came out real good. Look at that.
Think so?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah.
Oh.
I think so.
That is color scheme.
And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Look at that beautiful wedge fold. Look at that. Nice, perfect wedge, perfect V. Oh yeah. And you know, we've kind of been doing a version of this on our V-necks, but we've never done one on a regular tee, which is what makes it a wedge. So, but now that we know this cool design and how to properly do it, We're gonna start trying all new sorts of wedges on all sorts of new items. Look at that good pattern on there. Nice green, you know, you have the dark green on the top all the way through the blues and the limes. Oh yeah, wonderful, wonderful shirt. Sorry folks, as you can see I'm kind of fighting the wind out here. But yeah. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.